Hello guys, I'm just doing a quick demonstration for viofo products, how to flash the firmware, because a lot of people be having issues with their dash cams when they choose to use the cheap memory cards, which is not designed for the dash cams. And a lot of memory cards were designed for storage usage, but not for the heavy intensive data writing for these little things, because they're using a high bit rate of recording 24/7, writing and rewriting, so sometimes going to crash the memory cards inside. And let me just show you when the software is crashed. That's how it looks like for the viofo products. Just try to turn it on. It looks like a pixelated screen, but there's actually nothing wrong with the screen itself. It's just the software inside that's been clashed. So just unplug it first. All you gotta do is just go to the viofo website, download their firmware file. So you have to make sure you download the correct file, because this model is A119S and that's a FWA119S bin file. So make sure you download the correct file, because a lot of people who download the incorrect file try to load up into this machine and it's not work. Alright, what you gotta do, okay, I just got a memory card here, which is Samsung Evo Plus, which is pretty comfortable with the dash cams. You have to format the card first. If you have been recording successfully inside of the machine, you don't have to worry about it, just delete everything. Otherwise, just format the memory card into the FAT32 format. If you don't know how to do that, just quick Google it, it's gonna come up. Okay, no name, just as the file. Make sure you download the correct file, copy it, and straight paste into the memory card. Once done, checked it. Okay, take the memory card out. Alrighty, just try to get into the slot. Okay, once you make sure the SD card is inserted properly, and then power up the dash cam. The quickest way is you can power up inside of your vehicle. If you do have a power bank, well, like this, it'll be more convenient. So once you get into it, power up, unit will recognize the file inside automatically and doing the upgrade. Pretty forward and straight. It's gonna take about, let's say, 20 to 30 seconds and we'll be done. Quickly flashing, so it's finished. Once it's done, it will restart the unit by itself. Now it's back to life. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.